Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In this video, I'll show you guys this $40 vacuum cleaner that I bought here from Amazon. This is called a car vacuum cleaner, and it's called Smart Safe. Smart Safe. Alright, guys, it comes here. I'm gonna show you everything it comes with if I can on this car. Matter of fact, let's move to this one. Alright. It comes with the charger, which is already in the house. I charge it up so I can make sure it's charged for you guys here. It comes with an extra filter. Here's a long little tube. And these is better for mobile detailing, I would say, because even at home, these is better because you ain't got to worry about dragging around a big 5-gallon vacuum cleaner from one side of the car to the other side of the car. And to me, it'd be kind of aggravating trying to move that big thing around and trying to pull the cord around the car and all that stuff, You bump it all into your car with a 5-gallon bag, and what I'm saying? It's just aggravating. So this here, to me, is basically the new school way of backing your cars out. And I'm gonna show you guys. I hope everything's in this box here. Here's the extra filter. They give you an extra filter right here. You get a brush attachment right here. $40, man. $40. You get a just got it in the other day. You get your little booklet. There's your vacuum cleaner booklet right there. Okay, also get a little carry bag. I guess this is where you want to be fancy a little bit. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. Get a little carry bag in here. You know what I'm saying? So you can put your vac. And I already put the attachment. Up here. And like I said, here's the booklet. You want to just kind of read up on everything and get the catch of things, you know what I'm saying? And go ahead and get that vacuum together, All right, here we got this. That's your attachment. I already got it up there. So we can go ahead on and start the vacuum process so I can show you guys how this thing works. And yes, sir, $40. All right, guys, I'm going to get this mess out of here. Straight to the vacuum. Hang tight. All right, y'all. So let's get started. I'm going to put this thing in action. Took the mat and stuff out of the car. It's in my big boy Honda Accord. Alright, so let's see what it does. Hope you guys can see me pretty good here. Alright, y'all see here. You see all this dirt down here, right? So I'm going to sit there. Put the camera right down here. You can see some of the dirt and some of the little trash and stuff. Which I like to give you a before. Kind of, y'all see it. Then we'll show you what it looked like after the vac hit it. So you guys can see by how strong it's got a very strong suction here. So let's go ahead and hit it. Let's hit it. Here we go. See how quickly it picks up all that trash and dirt and stuff. It doesn't take no time to pick up all that trash. Reach and play is very, very strong. I told you guys it grip right down to the carpet. It's a new way of getting things done, I tell you. Can't hardly move it because it grip the carpet so good. It digs deep down. Alright. Oh yeah, it's so much easier and convenient. It's very convenient. Yes, sir. Pretty strong, guys. Yeah, y'all see how good that looks? So I'm gonna stop it and bring you guys in close. Look at here. That thing is strong and smooth. It's not even very loud. The suction is real powerful. You can tell by how it picked up the trash. Like I said, I call it strong and smooth. You know what I'm saying? It picks up very strong, but it's not very loud. You don't want nothing too loud, disturbing other people and stuff. So that was a great job, man. Y'all see it. So here I'm gonna show you guys how it does on this flow mat. So I didn't imp it. Y'all see that though? It looks good, man. This flow mat dirt here, all that grime on the flow mat. Watch this. See how it sucks it right up? Yeah, no problem. Very powerful. Okay, guys, I picked it up with ease. Now to charge this unit, it takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge it, but it's well worth it, So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I just want to share some light on this vacuum cleaner. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Till next time, your boy's out, man. Peace.